I'm saying no Mr., but I'm a family of Bailey. Okay.
Right. So
and then
your?
what's your
My name is PC Andrews.
Can I get your what's the name? Your number, please.
Yeah, 3405.
3405 for the record. I've been stopped on what's the name road?
Gregory Boulevard.
Gregory Boulevard.
They are.
Yeah.
My warrant card.
Okay. So what the police officer is saying to me today is that I'm travelling on a bicycle. He's saying it's not a bicycle, even though it has to be assisted. It does 15.5 miles an hour. It's not under 250 watts. And then yet still, he's saying that I need a license not to drive. He's saying that I must be driving. I need a license.
Yeah, it's a mechanically propelled vehicle.
It doesn't matter what it is. What I'm saying is, I'm not driving.
You are. You're driving a mechanically propelled vehicle on the road. Driving. So
no, but you've got to give me the definition.
I don't need to give you the definition.
You need to give me the definition because right now you're saying that I'm driving. Are you under your oath today?
Yes,
sir?
I am. Yeah.
Okay. Can you read your oath of office today?
You.
Why not? Because I have a demand to ask for the oath, sir.
You don't have a right.
With all respect, I do have a right to ask for your oath.
So, can you please tell me your name, date of birth, address?
There's no need for me to tell you anything because I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay. I'm investigating the offence of driving with no insurance or licence.
But I'm not driving, sir.
Committed. I therefore require your name, date of birth, and address.
That's the only requirement. It's not that a requirement is me giving permission.
Okay. Is there anything that I can say or do that will make you provide me with your name, date of birth, and address?
But for what? Yeah. One thing you have to do is give me probable cause, and then you haven't given me probable cause based on what I'm saying. It doesn't matter about promotion. It's the law, mate.
Okay.
Or I wouldn't be riding a bike.
If you're not able to provide me with your name, date of birth, and address now, then you're going to be arrested.
Why am I going to be arrested?
I need to confirm your identity. I'm investigating some offences, and if you don't provide me with those details, I'm not able to investigate those offences at the roadside. So under Section 24 of the Police and Criminal Evidence Act, I therefore have a necessity criteria to arrest you for those offences.
You don't have no reason to arrest me. I'm not talking to you any different way. I'm not harming you.
No, I'm not
the bike, I'm asking you a question towards what you're saying to me that I'm driving when I'm not driving. I'm on a bike. I'm just travelling. I'm on a push bike which is assisted. It's an assisted push bike.
Is there
That's what it is.
Because we keep going around in circles.
I know, but we can keep going in a circle, but you have to tell me something.
Here and now, for you to provide me with your name, date of birth, and address.
No, but why should I be? I'm not doing anything wrong, mate.
I'm investigating.
And I'm not obliged. Am I obliged to do that?
Yes, you are. Yeah.
No, I'm not obliged.
Under the law.
It's not a law. It's a statute, and it's an act, sir. It's an act. It's an act and a statute.
Act passed by Parliament, which becomes a law.
It's not a law. It's not common law, mate.
Anything I can reasonably say or do here and now for you to provide me with your date of birth, name, and address.
Talk to me at the time. I've got the food on at home. I've got to get home because if I don't get on the cookers on, my house will burn down while I'm in.
Well, I can't let you go in here and now because I don't know who you are.
So you're detaining me now.
I am, yes.
So I'm under arrest.
Well, not currently, but you will be if I can't establish your name.
So you read my rights?
I haven't yet. No.
So what are you going to read my rights for?
Huh?
What are you going to read my rights for?
I'm not going to read your rights at the moment.
But you need to read my rights. So I might have been detained then.
Yeah.
Obviously, we want you to go about your business and get.
Well, that's what I want to do, and there's no reason we stopping.
But obviously, my colleague just saying to you, you just need to provide your details, and then you'll be able to go on your way once you confirm that. Okay, he just needs to investigate.
I told you, Brian.
On the road, on the motor vehicle.
I've told you.
What's your surname?
Listen, Brian of Bailey, the family of Bailey.
Okay.
On the birth certificate. There's no need for me to give you a date of birth. Because I'm not doing anything wrong.
Your identity.
You don't, because you need probable cause. You haven't got any probable cause. The cause that you're saying is that it's a propelled vehicle. That's a propelled vehicle. This is the bike. This is push assisted. 15.5 miles an hour, 250 watts. That's it. I don't need a license to do that because I'm not driving in commerce. If you check, when talk about commerce as in needing a license, you have to, like a vehicle. A vehicle is what you do in a license, like a police car, a taxi. A bus, you're driving on the road on public property, by the way.
Yeah.
And that's why you need a license for permission from the public to do your works on the road.
Okay, you need a license to drive any mechanical
Yeah,
vehicle.
I'm not driving, sir. I'm just travelling on my bike. It's a bike, and it's
Yeah,
foot
mechanicals
it's foot assisted.
Right.
It's
What
a
I'm
scooter.
saying to you now, Mr. Bailey, is unless you can provide me with your name, date of birth, and address. Right
Unless
now,
unless
I
you
will
are
be arrested.
you going to arrest me and then my house burns down because my cooker's on.
Okay, well, that's
Well,
not my fault.
Well, it will be. It will be.
It
It will be because there's going to be a lot of suing going on.
Okay, I've
Because
been very reasonable asking for your
you're
details.
not. Well, am I
could
not?
have been on your way
Am
by
I
now.
not being? Am I not being reasonable with you?
You're being very reasonable, but
Okay,
you
so I'm
don't
telling
provide
you
me
right
with
now that I don't need a license
Well,
to ride,
that's-
and it's not even a bike.
Mr. Bailey, that
It's
can
not
be,
even.
that can be
It's not
argued
even.
later, can't it?
No. It's not about arguing later.
It
I'm
can.
telling you the
It
law
can.
right now.
Okay. Whether you
Right,
telling
all
him
you're
the
doing
law
is
or
telling me
not,
the
it's just that
statutes.
He's asked you. He's made a fair request.
You're telling. Yeah, he's made a fair request, and it's a request. That's what it is.
Yeah.
And the request is whether I give.
And all you
give
seem to be doing is delaying.
I'm not delaying anything. What I'm doing is I'm not giving you consent, and I'm not allowed. Listen, this is my property, mate.
Okay, I'm just taking that out.
Don't
leaving
give
it
me
there
my key.
so you can't
Give
drive off
me
with it.
my key.
Yeah,
It's
fine.
my property. Don't take my property, mate, because I'm not doing anything wrong.
Okay.
Bailey.
And I'm trying to explain to you,
Mr. Bailey, we just provide your details to my colleague and then you'll be on your way.
sir.
It's quite simple.
Sir,
Please.
sir, listen to me. My name is Brian. Okay, that's my name. My birth certificate name is Bailey.
Okay.
That's my name.
Yeah. What's your date of birth then?
That's what you told me to give
Well,
you
how
some
old are you,
identification. There's no need for me. Listen, as I
Well,
said,
we've
I
got to
gave you my
guess.
name. Guess, everyone, guesstimate.
You've been in trouble with the police before.
Listen, you're asking me questions. You need to ask me because
Well,
there's no need to.
I'm having to ask you because what you're doing is just being obstructive and not telling you details.
You're obstructing me by me not going where I'm going, sir. Doing anything wrong.
Right, Mr. Bailey, this is your final warning. Okay. Is there anything I can reasonably say or do to get you to provide me with your name, date of birth, and address right now?
I need to go because my house is going to burn down because my fire's on, my cooker's on.
Okay, which you could have done
That's
so.
what I mean. So what
by
would you
now
trying to
already
say?
had
So
you
you're
given
trying to
me
say
details.
that I need to
Right.
get? Hold on.
You're
You need to give my.
suspicion
I
of
need to
driving
give.
with no insurance and no otherwise than in accordance with the license.
You're joking.
Okay? So you do not have to
Just
say
watch
anything.
the phone. So you don't
Make
get damaged.
Hold on.
defense
Oh, let
don't
me stop
mention
that. They're
anything to
recording me,
question or
and that's
something
it.
which you don't
They're
want in
taking me
court.
by
Anything you do so may be
duress
given in evidence.
right now. Under duress.
Right,
Okay.
My colleague's going to take your
Okay.
phone so that it doesn't get smashed. He'll put it back in your pocket.